Hello guys, welcome back, and in this video I'm going to show you that how to find your block list on Facebook, which is pretty simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then tap at these three lines to come to that menu section. Once you come to menu section, just tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and policy, just scroll down a little bit until you get the option of blocking. It's over there. Just simply tap at blocking. So that's where you can easily find all of those pages, posts, or person to whom you have blocked. So I have not just blocked anyone over there. So here, that's why my list is empty. So here it will show your blocked account. You can also add someone else by tapping at add to block list, like that, and here search for someone to whom you want to block, whatever he is. Just simply search for his account, like that, and what you all have to do is just simply tap at block and tap block to continue. Okay, he says you blocked. Okay, so now come back here. You can see we have this blocked app. Now if you want to unblock someone, just simply tap at unblock and tap unblock to continue. It will just take a while. So here you can see we have also unblocked. So that's how you can easily find your block list, how to block someone or how to like unblock someone. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave in the comment section below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to my channel, and if you think that this video helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye, till the